Here we are going to discuss derivative of a composite function. Okay. After that, we will be discussing here chain rule and uh, some methods to find differentiation of the function in different situations. Okay. So let's start. Composite function, you know that f of g of x, f o g, correct or not? F o g of x. What is this one? Means f of g of x, correct? So firstly I am taking one example here, one question I am taking. Okay na? Question one taking, find derivative of 2x plus 1 whole cube with respect to x, okay. You will say, sir, okay, with respect to a derivative means I need to find dy dx of 2x plus 1 whole cube. Someone will say, sir, it is cube, then open it. Okay, I will say no problem. Dy dx, it will be 2x whole cube means 8x cube, then b cube means 1 plus 3a square b means 3 to just 6x square into 1 plus 3ab square means 6x. Okay. After that, dy dx of 8x cube, 8 outside, x cube derivative 3x square means 24 x square plus 0 plus 12x plus 6. From here see, then 6 we can take common, so it is nothing but 4x square plus 2x plus 1. So if you see, then it is 6 times 2x plus 1 whole square. Okay. I hope so all okay. Here it will be 12, correct? No? It is 12x square. Okay. So it will be remaining here. Yes. Then it will be 24, correct? It will be 4x. Okay. Now all okay. So you see, we'll get this one, correct? Try to think that if directly we can say by any idea that dy dx of 2x plus 1 whole cube is equal to 6 times 2x plus 1 whole square, then how it will be? Means if we can generate any idea, like directly we can write this one. So that we are going to learn, that is using the composite function idea. Okay now, first I am saying that one and then we'll apply the same idea here. Okay, dy dx of f of g of x, meaning what? You know the derivative of f of x, like dy dx of sin x, you know that cos x, but you don't know dy dx of sin x square. Then what to do? Okay, that at the place of x gx is there, correct or not? Okay, at the place of x square is here. So okay, it is equal to dy you can write like this one, dy dt of f of t into dt by dx, by assuming what? By assuming let g of x is equal to t. Okay now, you can assume g of x equal to t, and then we can say that we can write like this one, d by dt of f of t into dt by dx. Okay na, composite function we will solve like this one. Moreover, I will say one thing to you, very direct way. Example I am taking, then you will get it. d by dx, let's say I need to write sine 3x plus 5. Okay, then what you need to do, you know the derivative of d by dt sine t, means if this one become t and here t, then I can write derivative. So you do one thing, you assume 3x plus 5 as t, so I can write d by dt of sine t into dt by dx. Now sin t derivative is cos t and d by dx of t. Put the t both side. So cos 3x plus 5 into d by dx of t, means here 3x plus 5. Okay. So from here, this 3 cos 3x plus 5 as it is, okay, and derivative of this one mean derivative of 3x plus derivative of 5. So derivative of 3x is 3, derivative of 5 is 0. So we are getting 3 times cos 3x plus 5. That is the answer here. Correct. Hope so clear to you all. Now let's see the next one. Okay, again I am writing, let's say I am writing d by dx of, now any composite function, again I am writing the same thing, f of g of x. Okay, so what you need to do, gx you need to assume t, correct or not, and you need to write d by dt of f of t into dt by dx. In one way you can say you are multiplying and divide by dt. Okay, na? But it is okay, so we can write like this. Okay, if further let's say it is written like d by dx of like f of g of h of x, then what to do, total you will assume like t. Okay, na? Means you will write first d by dt of f of t into d by dx of, at the place of t, what is g of h of x. So again some t2 or t dash you can assume to h of x, means next you will write d by dt of f of t into d by, let's say dt1, okay na, z of t1 into dt1 divided by dx, and t1 value will put here. Okay, so this one I hope so this is clear to you all. Okay, let's see. We'll do some questions. Okay, na? Question: find derivative of the following: d by dx of 2 root cot x square. Okay, 2 root cot x square. So 2 as it is outside, d by dx of what, root of cot x square. Already I hope so you know derivative of a few formulas, you know, correct na, d by dx. So 2 times directly we are doing questions, and these questions are from NCERT. Okay na, differentiability, d by dx of root cot x square. Now you see, if d by dx of under root x, then it will be what, 1 by 2 root x. You know that one, in 11th class already you have done. Okay, now how you know? So it is 1 by, what you need to do, you will say, sir, I don't know derivative of root cot x square, I know derivative of root t d by dt. So I will say you assume it, d by dt root t into dt by dx. T is what? T is cot x square, correct now? So from here 2 into 1 by 2 root t into d by dx of t. Now substitute t here, 2 to cancel, 2 to cancel, is equal to 1 divided by t value cot x square into d by dx of cot x square. Now again cot x square is, I don't know the derivative, you will say, of cot x square. So again x square you can assume t. But what I am saying, again and again it is taking time to write. Okay now. So you do one thing. Sometimes you assume it like it is looking like cot x. Just assume it. So cot x derivative should be what? Cot x derivative sec square cot x, yeah, cot x derivative sec square x. So sec square x, but it is not x here, it is x square. So write x square as it is. Okay, now you think, because if was, let's say it was x, if it might be x, then I will be writing this one like only this is the differentiation, no problem. But it is x square means again you are going to apply the chain rule. You will be writing d by dx of what? T you are assuming x square means into d by dx of x square means that derivative is 2x. Okay, overall meaning what? If it is not x, then you assume in mind that it is looking like x. You write the derivative. Like one example I am taking, dy dx of sine 3x square. You don't know direct derivative of sine 3x square, correct? Just assume it. Okay, now many of you may write direct, no problem. Sine 3x square, you assume it is looking like sine x, then its derivative will be cos x. But at the place of x, it is what? 3x square. If at the place of x really it is not x, it is something else, then again derivative of that thing to whom you are saying it is looking like x, you need to write. So that is cos 3x square into 6x. Okay, hope so clear now what I am saying here. So it is 2x into sec square x square divided by cot x square. Okay, this is the answer. Hope so clear. We'll go further. Question I am taking. Okay, question, find dy by dx if y plus sin y is equal to cos x. Y plus sin y is equal to cos x. Okay, we need to find dy by dx. Then what to do? Actually both side we can take dy by dx. Okay, both side we can take d by dx, taking derivative on both side. Y plus sin y is equal to d by dx of cos x. Why? I need dy by dx, so I need to generate dy by dx, correct or not? So both side taking d by dx. So it is derivative of first function means d by dx of y, that is dy by dx, plus d by dx of sin y is equal to d by dx of cos x, you know that, minus sin x. So from here d by dx, yeah, or dy by dx. Now you think it is not a sin x, but if let's say it is sin x, d by dx sin x derivative will be cos x. So write it like that. But it is not x, it is y. So again derivative of that one, d by dx of y. What I am saying, you assume in mind it is x. So sin x derivative cos x, but it is not x, y. That's why again we need to write the derivative of y. To whom you are assuming as x, again we need to write derivative of that one. Okay now. So it is equal to minus sin x. Okay, now dy by dx in both we can take common. Okay, so here I am writing dy by dx common, then what will be remaining here? You see here it will be remaining 1 and plus cos y into dy by dx is equal to minus sin x. This implies dy by dx is equal to minus sin x divided by 1 plus cos y. This one. Okay, so this is the answer. If you want to change into half angle formula, then you can change, otherwise you can leave here only. Okay. Yeah, one more thing, that y you cannot take, y cannot be equal to what? Y cannot be equal to odd multiple of pi, 2n plus 1 pi. Otherwise, it will not be defined. Correct or not? Okay, let's see. Now, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn derivative of inverse trigonometric function. Okay, derivative of inverse trigonometric function. Okay, derivative of inverse trigonometric function. Okay, before of this one, I hope so you know in 11th class ideas I told you that dy dx of f of x plus g of x, and multiplication and division. Okay, now those things already we had discussed. Correct now. So here directly I am writing formulas. You need to remember first formula, that d by dx of sine inverse x is equal to 1 divided by root 1 minus x square. Second formula, d by dx of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. Okay. Third formula, d by dx of tan square x is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square. And you know that here what are the domain in inverse trigonometry already we discussed. Correct or not? Okay. Here we are writing the domain of this one minus 1 to 1. Okay. uh, Here x belongs to again minus 1 to 1. You think if at that place you are writing domain of this one, correct or not? Here according to this one now we are writing. Correct. Now what should be x domain we are writing, not like for directly this one. Okay, now we are thinking for this one domain, for this one. So you know that it cannot be 1. If it x will be 1, then it will be undefined. That's why minus 1 to 1. You can think it should be greater or equal to 0, then we'll get minus 1 to 1. Okay. And similarly, you know that here any x you will take, then it will be defined 1 by 1 plus x square. Correct. Okay, main is this formula you need to remember. The remaining thing not a big issue. Okay, we'll take some question. Okay, question first, one more question I am taking for dy by dx. Okay, now find dy by dx, find dy by dx for xy plus y square is equal to tan x plus y. Okay, we need to find this on dy by dx. What you will be doing, you will say, sir, dy by dx we need to find, take derivative with respect to x both side, means dy by dx of xy plus y square is equal to dy by dx of tan x plus y. Both side derivative means dy by dx of xy plus d by dx of y square is equal to d by dx of tan x plus d by dx of y. So dy by dx this one. So this is equal to, it is product of two function u into v. So first outside, okay, first outside derivative of second one plus second outside derivative of first one. Similarly, it is looking like x square, so its derivative should be 2x, but it is not xy, so 2y. Again, because it is not x, you assume y as x, so derivative of y I need to write is equal to tan x derivative, you know that's sec square x plus dy by dx. dy by dx take in one side. Okay, now take this side. So here x, here 2y, and this dy by dx minus 1 into dy by dx. Okay, now is equal to here sec square x, and you see y d by dx of x is 1, d by dx of x is 1, so it goes that side minus y. Okay, so from here dy by dx what we are getting, sec square x minus y divided by x plus 2y minus 1. Okay, this is the answer. Hope so clear. Okay, let's see the next. Okay, I hope so these formulas is in your mind. D by dx of sine inverse x is equal to 1 divided by root 1 minus x square. D by dx of cos inverse x equal to minus times 1 divided by 1 minus x square. D by dx of tan square x equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, so few questions we will take over this one. Okay, the question is okay, it is saying f of x is equal to x plus 1. Okay, then value of d by dx of f of x, composite function asking, correct now? So you can do one thing, that first you find f of x. Okay now, f of x, what is that? This is nothing but that f of x. Okay, so f of x will be what? If f of x is x plus 1, then f of x will be what? F of x plus 1. At the place of x, f of x plus 1 you are putting. So now f of x value is x plus 1 is equal to x plus 2, meaning this is nothing but we got the value x plus 2. So d by dx of f of x is equal to d by dx of x plus 2. So derivative of x plus derivative of 2. Derivative of x we are getting 1, derivative of 2 we are getting 0. That is the answer. One more question we'll see. Next question. Y is equal to log cos e power x. Then we need to find dy by dx. We need to find what? Dy by dx. Okay now. So you will say, sir, take derivative both sides with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to dy by dx of log cos e power x. You will say, sir, it is looking like log t. D by dt of log t base e is 1 by t. Correct. This is the formula. Okay, so I will say it is looking like log t, then 1 by t. T is what? Cos e power x. And again derivative of d by dx of t. T to whom you are saying? Cos e power x. Correct. Cos e power x. Now next what will be? It is equal to 1 divided by cos e power x into, now derivative of cos e power x. You will say, sir, I know the derivative of cos x. I will say what? That is minus sin x, but at the place of x there is no x, it is like e power x. Okay, so it will be minus sin e power x, to whom you assume as the x, as x, derivative of that one we need to write again. Okay, so that is chain rule we are applying. 1 divided by cos e power x into minus sin e power x into e power x, derivative is e power x. So minus e power x into sin e power x, derivative of cos e power x. Okay, this is the answer. So sin e power x divided by cos e power, you can write e power x tan e power x. Correct. Let's see the next question. Okay, we are having the next question, this one, y is equal to x plus root x square minus 1. Then we need to prove this one. Okay, means dy by dx we need to find. So you do one thing, take derivative in this one with respect to x both sides. So it will be d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of x plus root of x square minus 1. So it is equal to derivative of x plus d by dx of root x square minus 1. So from here dy dx of x is 1 plus derivative of you know that dy dx of root. Okay, I am saying at the place of x, if Mr. X is there, means it is some function of x. So you need to write what? 1 divided by 2 Mr. X, root Mr. X, and derivative of again what? Mr. X. Okay, that we are doing. If it is not x, it is something else. At the place of x, it is function of x. That is Mr. X we are saying. So 1 divided by 2 root x square minus 1, again derivative of Mr. X means x square minus 1. So it is equal to 1 plus 1 divided by 2 root x square minus 1. Derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of 1 is 0, minus 0. In bracket you need to write. Okay, now here it is multiplication because. So now 2 cancel. 1 plus x divided by root x square minus 1. And here what? Dy by dx. You see what we need to prove? We need to prove square something. Correct or not? Okay, square something. So you do one thing, y also we need to bring here in our equation what we want to prove. So multiply here, it will be under root x square minus 1 plus x divided by under root x square minus 1, and here dy by dx. You see under root x square minus 1 plus x is nothing but y. Okay, now x plus under root x square minus 1 is nothing but y. So y divided by x square minus 1. Cross multiplication. Okay, cross multiplication we can do. So we'll get x square. What we need to prove? Yes, here root of x square minus 1 dy by dx is equal to y. Okay, is equal to y. What we need to prove here? Y are 4y square. Somewhere 2 we are missing. Correct now? Okay, somewhere we are missing 2. Where it is? Let's see. Squaring both sides, so we'll get x square minus 1 dy by dx whole square, okay, is equal to y square. Somewhere just we are missing 2. Let's. Okay, for this question it is all okay. Okay, now here it should be y square for this question. If it is whole square, then here it will come like 4y square. Okay, now. So okay, you can check that one, no problem. This is okay only. So now next problem, we'll see for the next problem. Okay, one question is given that f of x is equal to x into x plus 9 into x plus 1 into x minus 3. Okay, then f dash x we need to find at x equal to 1. F dash x at x equal to 1. So you can do one thing, you can multiply all. Okay, now that is one approach. So multiply it better will be that one only here. So okay, it is x, multiply first x plus 9 as it is, these two. So x to x, x square minus 3x plus x minus 2x minus 3, and again x into multiply with x in all, x cube minus 2x square minus 3x plus 9x square minus 18x minus 27, and multiply by x. You see 9x square and minus 2x square become minus 7x square. So x cube plus 7x square minus 3x minus 18x minus 21x minus 27. Okay, multiply by x, then what will have? X power 4 plus 7x cube minus 21x square minus 27x. So we got f of x. Now f dash x you can find. F dash x means derivative, correct or not? X power 4 derivative 4x cube, 7 outside, 7 3 is 21x square minus 42x minus 27. Okay, at x equal to 1 means f dash 1. Okay, so 4 into 1 cube 1, 21 into 1 square 1 minus 42 into 1 minus 27. Okay, you can solve this one, you'll get the answer. Okay, so I hope so these questions are clear to you all. Okay, the next question, y is equal to log cos e power x. Okay, then we need to find dy by dx. Okay, dy by x. So okay, dy by dx dy by dx, taking both side, dy by dx of log cos e power x. You will say, sir, log e power x, first it is like log x, so 1 by cos e power. I also this question already done. So again dy by dx of e power x, okay, sorry, cos e power x. So 1 by cos e power x, cos e power x derivative, it will be minus sin e power x. Okay, again e power x derivative will be e power x. Okay, so already I think so this is done. Okay, so these are the questions, few more question if possible, then let. Okay, so this is the last question we are taking here, and question is saying f of x is equal to modulus x minus 1 plus modulus x plus 1 for all x belongs to real number is not differentiable at x equal to minus 1 and 1. So we need to show it. I was telling like you need to show it is not differentiable, then you can go with the uh, limit formula of the differentiability, correct or not? Okay, so at x equal to 1 I am showing, okay, now f dash minus 1 I need to find. It is equal to limit h tending towards 0 f of a plus h. A is what? Minus 1 plus h minus f of a means minus 1 divided by h. So if f of x is modulus x minus 1 plus modulus x plus 1, so f of 1 minus h will be what? Limit h tending towards 0. At the place of x we need to substitute minus 1 plus h minus 1 as it is minus f of my, okay, plus in other other modulus at the place of x minus 1 plus h plus 1 minus f of 1 minus, put here 1 at the place of x, so it will be magnitude of or modulus of 1 minus 1 plus modulus of 1 plus 1, okay, divide by h. So what we are getting, limit h tending towards 0, this is what? Minus 2 plus h modulus plus 1 1 cancel modulus h minus, here 1 1 cancel, so it is modulus 0 means 0, it is modulus 2, so minus modulus 2, okay, divide by h, divide by h, okay, we can write this one. Now you see there is problem to open these modulus, correct? So take LHL and RHL to open it, correct? RHL, LHL, okay, so it will be limit h tending towards 0 plus, for 0 plus h greater than 0, so h just greater than 0 means minus 2 plus 0 point something, it will be negative only, open with minus sign, minus 2 plus h. This will be 0 plus means open with the positive sign plus h minus modulus 2 will be 2 only, divide by h. Here limit h tending towards 0 minus, okay, just less than 0, so still it is negative, minus, open with minus 2 plus h, and 0 minus means we need to open this one with minus h minus 2 divide by h. So what we are getting here, limit h tending towards 0 plus, just open it, 2 minus h plus h minus 2 divide by h. Here it is equal to limit h tending towards 0 minus minus plus 2 minus h and minus h minus 2 divide by h. Okay, here h and h cancel, 2 minus 2 0, we are getting this one 0. Here what? 2 cancel, minus 2 h by h means minus 2 we are getting. So you can see LHL is not equal to RHL, means this limit does not exist, means f dash 1, f dash minus 1 does not exist, okay na? Not equal, this implies f dash minus 1 does not exist, does not exist, okay. So for the remaining things we'll meet again, okay na? Up to that you take care of yourself, okay, bye bye.